I'm looking up at Mount Shasta. Hi, Wayne White here. This time we're on a different location. I'm looking up at Mount Shasta. And it looks like a lot of sunbathers around. Out, and I've wetted the paper. Since the paper's in a binder, I'm not going to wet the back or make a mess. So I'm going to mix up some cobalt blue. At an angle because that's how the ground is up here on the side of the mountain. And I'm doing this. If any of you viewers want to follow up and want to paint watercolor, please subscribe, because I'm going to continue to do a painting probably once a week. Learn a lot. I'm splashing in the
500 alive.
The green pine trees. They're just across the lake. I've darkened the sky, made it bluer to get the snow to stand out on the mountain. And the lake, kind of a green cast over here on the water where it meets the pine trees. Got some paints, gray in my blue. Add a few waves in the lake. This is finished for now. Later I'm gonna come back and do a few small things to it. There was dripping, so I got that drip out of there. I'll probably do some work on the pine trees to get those to come forward a little more, and probably smooth out the sky a little bit. It's kind of rough in parts. Smooth that out. But I didn't want to put any clouds in. There aren't any clouds there, but I didn't want to put any clouds there because it would interfere with the white of the mountain. It's the important thing. So thanks for watching, and watch again.